Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about how you can apply for a driving license in Poland. Actually, this can be true for all other countries in Europe. The only thing that you should do is just to go to their special websites, their own websites, and just see for yourself what more document they need, but the process more or less is the same. Okay, here we have the website. I start here, I click on it and translate to English. Get a driving license. First you can go to this website. I have the address here. You can push this all these websites that here you can put them, copy and paste them in your web browser and see for yourself what you need to do that. This here it says who can I get. You can read it. Anyone who has lived in Poland for at least 185 days. It could be, it is like 6 months at least. You have been in Poland. After that you can apply for this. Going to get a driving license for the first time if they are old enough, or he has a driving license and wants to get another category if he's of the right age. Anyway, next thing is what you need to prepare. So the most important part is this one, right? As always, we have an application. You can open this file and then fill it in, and just after that you can print it. Medical certificate. This medical certificate is a test including eye, like they check your eyes, maybe your pressure, if you have some problem with like with blood or with stress or something. They check some stuff like that. It's a very easy test, but you should pay, I think at the time I did it 2022, it was 200 zloty. That's nothing, right? You need a recent photo, and here you can check what is the specification for your photo. ID card or passport you need. Okay, document that will prove your registered address, such as an I need to tell you something very important here. It's like you go to Urząd and you register your address. For that you need, I think, a form that shows where you're living and what are your costs for that place. You make an appointment, or just go to a Urząd and you register your address. But the thing is, this registration after some time maybe is expired, right? You stay in Poland for 2 years, but after it depends what is the date written on that form that you showed it to Urząd, right? After that you should do it again, because when you have a car and you want to ride in Poland, or whatever you want to do in Poland, you need to have a registered address. So be careful about that. And then can read more here. Maybe you need a parcel number. A photograph of your current driving license, right? For example, in your own country you have a driving license. Now you need to translate that to Polish. You can go to your own embassy in Warsaw or maybe in other cities and translate that to your from your own language to Polish. And then written consent from your parents, not needed here. Go to office with your parent, not needed if you're old enough. A psychological certificate confirming that there are no psychological contraindications in driving a vehicle. No problem here. I think I didn't do that because probably I don't have a problem, right? What you need to do after you prepare all the document here, you need to go to next section, which says what you need to do. So the thing here it says go to doctor who does driver tests. You should search for that. Those centers like Ludmex or whatever, that you can take this test for driving license. You can ask them if they have this test. They do it for you and they give you the document, the confirmation. Prepare all the necessary documents. All the documents that we talked here about, you should prepare them. Submit them to the appropriate office. For that, I remember I took a time at the Ujod office, but you also just can go without making an appointment. But you should be lucky that you don't wait a lot. Yeah, it's some people, they don't make any appointment, but they go and they sit for some time, take a turn, and then they do their thing, their work, their whatever. Here it says after that a PKK number is sent to your phone number. I remember for me it was, I think, 2 days after I delivered my document. After that, you're ready to take the test. If you're ready, if you know the rules in Poland, so it's easy. You can go to the website for taking the test. The website, it's this one. You can open this website and then you can make a time that you are ready to take the test. But before that, I think something that most people, most expats that are in Poland, they are not, you need a course or something, right? Or at least you need to read something about that. Here, I have prepared some links to test everything, some materials. You can check them. For example, what is this one? Here is many information. You can change the language Pole in English, and really easy peasy. You can read everything for here, and many other. The most important thing, there are some tests here. You can take the test, like samples. You can see how many questions are there, how are the points, like everything you can see here for this links. When you're ready to take a test, when you pass the practical, not practical exam, you don't need the theory exam only, because you have already have a document, right? Have a driving license. In case you have a driving license, only theory exam. If you pay at the ticket office, then when you pass the exam, you go to the Ujod and tell them about it, and they issue your driving license. After some time, you can pick it, and that's it. And then when you have the driving license, you can buy your own car, you can rent a car and drive on your own.